Welcome to Ngobo Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Thank you so much. This is Ngobo Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns 1 Esfa 0. My brother, how's it?
How's it fun?
Sharp was it, my brother?
Oh, one okay, sharp. Wanna know? Reject Kefane.
Yeah.
Champions League. A parent Siniga, league ya better away.
Oh, near
Yes, I was our nigga. Mama Tulega. Mama Tulega. But someone's on the table now, and it's not so full.
near a nigga or was Tatela.
Aye, no, just this one again. Seven nigga bon.
Agape.
Agape Marabona so ready. So let's say penalty a son dawa in the league.
Oh,
Mama Tola. Six man again fan. Mama Tola.
Yeah.
As a man again. If you have a tola, what's after a sorry booty? Plus, it's a booty.
Tatin does it.
Yeah, it does it. But I was it. It does it. Honestly, but I want to imagine. Then I said, Keva, Spuna Star. Star is supposed to be.
Second star,
Yeah, it's Spuna Star.
No, several.
So, boy, a parasite. Boy.
Yeah. Yeah, Pirates celebrate the game. Pirates are equal.
I call her. And my call, about to me.
Yeah, but Pumabona when I celebrate Uguchi.
Mr. Ngobo ne sikhalela ukuthi why intole ikhefu fanele ifirst leg iqalele la why finally singayithatheli la why uMorocco yona fanele ithathe ikhefu le thina sifuna ithathela la ikhefu yethu and then nala siyoyithatha sisho mara next time sifuna bayithathele thank you